back to my channel. It's Chris Monet. Okay. And today's video, as you can see below, I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new machine, Brother PS200T. So let's get into it. Let's get right to it. I got my knife here. Here we go. Here we go. All right, hello, baby. So let's pull out this box. Let's see what's in this box first. I think this is the extending. What do you call it? It's like a extendo tray. Extendo clip. Yep. That's pretty cool. My last machine, I didn't have one of these. My last machine was a Singer heavy duty. It actually went out on me yesterday, and I went to get it serviced today, and they recommended this machine to me, and they took my old machine in as a trade-in, so that was pretty cool. So, all right, let's put this here. All right. Okay, unnecessary cardboard. All right, so we got a owner's manual here, which I will need. The presser foot, and looks like a walking foot included with it. Presser foot. It looks like my last one I just had. They usually always look the same. This is so exciting! All right. That fresh baby right there. Yeah. All right, so let's remove all this tape. See what's up in chat. What do we have in here? So it looks like we got a nice little pouch. That's cute. I actually don't know the name for this thing, this device. All right, we got, this is where you put the thread. Where does the thread go in this thing? No idea. Oh, this probably glues up. Let me not start breaking stuff already. Okay, so we got some bobbins. Hi. Hi. So we got some bobbins here. There's that, and some needles. Not sure what all this other stuff is. I don't know what this is. I don't use this stuff, but that looks like a little wrench, maybe to take off the plate there. And more needles and other little tools. So that's cool. All right, let's put that back in there. All right. furthermore, oh, there we go. Take this tape off. I really have to learn this machine, like learn a whole new machine. So yeah, let's take all this tape off.
Household machine.
So yeah, here we have all of the stitches here. They have all the stitches named. Stretch, blind, hem stitch, scallop stitch, double action stitch. All of these stitches I never even heard of. It's pretty cool. Ooh, triple zigzag stretch stitch. I'm liking that. And triple stretch stitch. Cool. So, okay, that's awesome. That's good to know. I guess there is some other stitches that I could use because I typically use a zigzag stitch for dancer clothes. Actually, let me show you guys an example of stuff I made. So, this is a outfit I made right here. Little Suit gang outfit. Comes with a matching mask. And yeah, so for this, I use just a zigzag stitch because it's stretch material. So that's the best stitch to use. Anyways, back to what I was doing. I am trying to figure out how to lift up the, what do you call it? I don't know what that's called. It's funny, I don't know what anything's called. Oh, there we go. Okay, this thing was in the way, so there we go. Figured it out. Cool. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get this plugged in to where I'm actually gonna be using it at, and then I'm going to do a little sample stitch for you guys, so stay tuned. That is awesome right there. That little tray, extra tray thing right there. All right, so let's get it plugged in. Let's plug this bad boy in. Let's power up. Let's give it a go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's crack. Let's pull out one of these bobbins. Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this thing. I like to use this because I use these really big spools of thread here. So let's do that. And I'm just gonna assume this is threaded the same way. So it goes one through here. Here, let me bring you guys closer. So it looks like it goes to thread it, it goes under here. Hi. Okay, sorry. A customer had walked in, so that's why the video shut off. But this machine actually isn't as easy to thread as I thought, so I'm just gonna figure that out and get back to you guys on that. I'm pretty sure there are some YouTube videos that I can watch and it will teach me how, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna need to learn that like today because I actually have some orders that I need to get out here pretty soon before I go on my Las Vegas trip next week. So yeah, I'm gonna need to figure that out soon, but it's not gonna happen for this video, guys. I'm really sorry, but I just wanted to show you my new machine. It's very beautiful. I really love it. I love that it has this, I think it's called an extending arm, if I'm not mistaken. That's what this is called, extending arm, but I'm gonna call it an extendo clip. Anyways, so there we go. Perfect, it fits right here on my table. I also have two other machines. I have a serger and I have a brother cover stitch here. So yeah, this new machine kind of really completes what I got going on here. I use my serger obviously to get cleaner edges, like when you fold it over and do the zigzag. Just like when you look on the inside of the garment, it's just like a cleaner look. So that's what I use the serger for. Obviously, if you sew, you know that. The cover stitch is also a machine that I need to get to know a little bit better. I was gifted this machine when I moved into this store last September, so it's going to be a year. And I think I've made like one outfit on this machine, and I really liked the look that this machine gives. It's like a double stitch, or you can even do not double stitch, sorry, dual needle, or you can do triple needles, but I just typically do 2 needles. Well, when I did use it, I used 2 needles because I like that look. Anyways, so yeah, both of these machines I need to just get to know a little bit better and, you know, start using them, because these are not cheap machines, but over time it's just, they pay for themselves. It's an investment. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I know it was kind of like all over the place because, you know, my storage was full earlier, so the video cut off, and then, you know, a customer just walked in, so it's kind of like hard to record while I'm also running the store. But you pretty much get the gist of the video. It's just an unboxing. I'm just showing you the machine, which I did. So that's the end of this video. If you guys like my vibe, my personality, go ahead and subscribe. Click the like video if you liked it. And in the future, I'm also gonna be having more, sorry, I keep saying I'm gonna have a lot more videos of me sewing lingerie and exotic wear, just whatever I'm sewing that day. I'm just gonna try and be more conscious of turning on my camera and sharing it with you guys, because sewing is something I do every single day, and I haven't seen anybody on YouTube that sews specifically what I make. So I think it would be kind of cool to bring something different to the DIY sewing community on YouTube. So again, thank you for watching.